yada or yadi, whatever you want to call me, and this is my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make St.Lucian Cocoa Tea. It's super easy, super tasty. I'm half Caribbean, Dominica and St. Lucia. My aunt came a couple weeks ago and she brought some cocoa sticks for us too. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it. So yeah, let's get started. So before you start grating your cocoa, just start boiling your water. You need roughly 3 cups. So I'm gonna say a cup for each person. So there's 3 of us. So I'm boiling right now, and now let's go grate our cocoa stick. Alright, so I'm going to be grating the cocoa stick on this side of my grater. So it's like, not small, but like the smallest one I think is this one. This one's pretty big, but it's just roughly this side. I'm going to be making cocoa tea for 3 people. So roughly I would say maybe 3 tablespoons. So think of a tablespoon of cocoa for each person. So I'm just going to grate now. Also, make sure you have a big plate because it gets really messy, so that's why. So while I'm waiting for the water to boil, it's boiling, but it's not there yet. I'm going to be grating nutmegs. I took a small one that is still in I found in here, and I'm just gonna grate. So I pushed the cocoa to one side, and now I'm gonna grate the nutmeg. I think the more spices that you have, the more flavor. So I'm gonna probably grate half of this. And that's what it looks like. Maybe I might grate all of it actually. Also, when you're grating, make sure you're grating downward, not down and up. People tend to do this. It's actually just down, so. Okay, so our water is starting to boil. So I'm gonna take our cocoa and nutmeg, and I'm just gonna gently put it in. For cinnamon, I would say like maybe that much is pretty good. Like I said, I think the more spices, the more flavor you're gonna get. And also, you can add your vanilla essence. So not a lot, maybe just that's enough. So it's been roughly 3 minutes, so now I'm going to be adding our milk. And you need roughly, I would say, around half a cup to 1 cup of milk. So I'm just gonna pour. I think that's good. And we're gonna continue stirring. Now, to ensure that your cocoa tea actually has taste, you need to add sugar. Now, I don't have a specific measurement for sugar. Like I said, it's more like I don't like to measure things, I just do things. That's how I cook. But taste is important. You cannot put half a cup of sugar and assume it's gonna taste good. You gotta make sure you taste it. And that is how you make cocoa tea. St.Lucian Cocoa Tea. Anyways, guys. guys, that is it for my YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more cooking tutorials or videos like this, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you later. I'm gonna go have my cup of tea. Bye. Just walk off. Mm.